I'm excited to welcome our first
Andrew Horn, our guest today.
Andrew Horn, who is
CEO and co-founder of Tribute.co.
fantastic ideas about how to transform
Serial
care.
social entrepreneur, speaker, and
Just
writer.
one example of how one socially minded young person can make a difference.
So please welcome Andrew Horn.
As he teaches us all the art of meaningful conversation.
Hey Google. Hi guys, welcome.
Who's grateful to be here? Who's grateful to be alive? There we go. What is the variable that could predict success from students? What they found is it wasn't SATs, it wasn't grades, it wasn't relationships. It was something they called verbal fluency. Verbal fluency is the ability to talk about your ideas, your services, your company.
The American Sociological Review just did a population study. 60% of all humans in the United States identify as either shy or dealing with social anxiety. We spend 15 years studying something like social studies, and we don't even spend 15 minutes on social skills. Information is essential for a decision, but it does not drive action. You know what does? Emotion. We can judge our progress by the courage of our questions and the depth of our answers. If you want to talk about directions, if you want to talk about where someone is from, then ask those questions. But if you want to talk about excitement, if you want to talk about inspiration, if you want to talk about challenge, if you want to talk about family, then you need to be the conversation catalyst. You need to bring those into conversation. A single conversation can change your life for good. Thank you so much for your time. Have an incredible conference.